This is Tom Cloud, this week's Precious Metals Market Update. I want to go back a week and talk about what I told you I considered a buy signal when silver hit $16.20 in the middle of the night last Tuesday, and then, of course, it's still hanging right around between 16 and 16.20. We've had no bounce in a week. I can only tell you this is the best opportunity that I've seen based on what I know, who's buying, the quantities that are being searched for in the wholesale market. I've just made a major sale to a bank entity. This is getting very interesting, and yet the price is still sitting still. Even with the contracts expiring on Thursday last week, we still are seeing a large amount of short, commercial shorts in the silver business. So we've got to look at it and decide, are we something that is still $2.50 below mining cost, even though it's up over 15% this year? Is this it? Is it really going to pull back further? Which would say to me that people are expecting a world stock market crash. There'd be no other reason industrial demand would be flying high and silver purchases would be flying high if all these country statistics really meant that something good was happening. So either a black swan is going to come out that will drop the stock market here and worldwide, and that would be the only reason I could see that silver's not going up right now. So hopefully you can still realize the buying opportunity is incredible in silver, and it's still sticking right around where I gave a buy signal to you last Tuesday, right in that 16 to 16.20, $16.20 per ounce. The other thing that I want to follow up on, I mentioned about talking to wholesalers both domestically and foreign about what they think supply will look like in the fall, and almost unanimously I'm hearing there's going to be delays. There's going to be delays because they're expecting big demand. There are big deals being shopped both in London and New York where people come in and say, I've got 10, 20, $30 million, and what can I get? What's the delivery time? What's the premium? What are my storage options? They're looking at all this, and this is real heavy right now, even though the price is down. So my thing to you is still to buy what you can afford. You're going to have a windfall here soon. I don't know, it's another 3 weeks, another month, another 3 months. It really doesn't make any difference. Where else can you go and make, with money rates now below 1%, and make another 15 or 20% in a few months? Now, honestly, I don't know of any other investment that has that potential besides silver. So this is just a reinforcement that even though we haven't had a move in a week, I haven't changed anything, and yet there are still commercial shorts out there that if you were a momentum trader, you would say, I'm going to wait till silver moves back up to 16.75 and then I'm going to jump in, which is fine. If you're going to stay and watch it closely, if you're not, I recommend getting in now. The other thing I'm hearing still is the banks, commercial banks, the world banks are buying gold. All net buyers last year except for Canada, and we're seeing the same thing so far this year, that every major central bank is buying gold because they see what's going on with Russia and China and India as they continue to add to their stash and build up. And just keep remembering, October 1st, when the special drawing rights come to China, we will know before that how much gold they have, and that could change everything overnight. So, in my opinion, you don't want to wait right up until you hear the announcement, because the announcement probably can be very favorable for gold. So hopefully this is just giving you a reinforcement of what we've been talking about. If you need to talk to us about a self-directed precious metals IRA, you can reach us at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. You can talk with Dan or Kathleen or myself, and we'll walk you through how to get that IRA set up. And certainly if you're buying individually, we can go through the different products that we have available and the premiums and and what those would cost you. So hopefully we'll be hearing from you. And with this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.